Yeah, we are walking on the bridge. Yeah, we're on this little bridge here. I mean, tiny bridge here. Hello guys.
Hi guys, another day, another vlog.
Yeah, welcome back to the vlog. Yeah, welcome back to the vlog. And today is also a special day as well.
Yeah, it's a March 8th,
Yeah.
Women's Day, International Women's Day.
Yeah, so
We're going to celebrate it here outside.
yeah, inside in the nature, the wood, and so
Going to the park.
yeah, so happy Women's Day to all of you over there. And yeah, and guys, if you are new to our channel and this was the first time for you being here,
Yes.
please make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the thumbs up as well, and also do us a big favor, turn on all the notification icons so that you'll be notified
Every time we posted a new videos.
yes. And what else, drop your comment down in the comment section below and let us know where you are watching from as well.
Yeah.
And this year we are trying to hit 5,000k subscribers on our channel, so
Yeah. So don't forget to subscribe.
yeah, and help us to reach this milestone together. And yeah, let's go enjoy this nature
Adventure.
yeah, nature
adventure.
adventure for the 8th March Women's Day. So let's go, right?
Let's go.
Yeah, we are on our way to the place,
Yes.
to the nature. And yeah, this place is really quiet place. It's like
Very private,
private.
lake subdivision, lake villa.
yeah, it's a private part of Berlin here, so it's very chilled, quiet.
We have nice houses also.
Yeah, nice houses. And yeah, have you been in this park before as well? If you are located in Berlin, have you been in this park as well before? And we are so yeah, we are on this bridge here.
We already reached the entrance of the park.
Yeah, almost, let's say almost.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
They
we're
have-
going to walk here with this bamboo. I know it's a tree wood bridge, and then as you can see,
and
there's
look
a-
at the boats, the
there's a lot
little
of
boats here.
here.
It's a private spot, so yeah. And
So nice.
other side as well. The sun is also how can I say?
Very
It's
nice.
it's
shining.
It's shining. It's not really hot, but yeah, it's a bit cold as well in
It's good to blend with the air, the cold air.
it. So
The air
yeah,
is cold. It's so nice that the sun is shining.
yeah, it's so nice here. And
So nice for walking.
yeah, there is the place. Not really the place, but let's see.
Let's see what we can see inside, what we can discover inside.
Yeah, over there. And yeah guys, if you are enjoying the vlog, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification icon so that you'll be notified for our upcoming vlogs and
Yes.
so on. So yeah,
Yes, guys.
let's go and enjoy the nature.
Nature.
Yeah, we are approaching the place little by little. Yeah, we are approaching the place. Seems pretty big. Yeah, seems pretty big.
Yeah. Let's go and discover it.
Yeah.
Let's pass this way.
Yeah, they put the fence over here so you can see them. So my Mahalko is enjoying walking.
If you're first time here, guys, it's a bit confusing because there's a lot of houses, small houses, and there's a lot of way. So you better use your map.
Yeah. And yeah, the street is a little bit tiny. We will leave even in the description the place of this place here. We will leave it under the description. So after you finish watching the vlog, you can go under the video description and you'll see some information as well there. So
what is the location of this park?
Yeah, let's go.
The name of this park?
Yeah, it's right now it's much more like a bit dry.
All like
A little bit doggy here. Here it's like
swamp.
Yeah, with water. Yeah, with water inside. And yeah, it's a private. Look, at the other side there is also like a bit of river. It's like private side. And here, how beautiful it is. Yeah, we are walking on the bridge, and here is like a private spot, you know, like they are catching fish. Or
they have net to catch fish, or maybe shrimp, crab.
And this is the other side as well.
Swamp area.
Yeah, and yeah, so this is the bridge, and we're approaching the real place. Now I think we are here. This is the place. Yeah, this is the name of this place here. And yeah, so let's walk through here. What do you think if we pass here or here? I think here is much more interesting, no? Right now it's very, how can I say, it's very silent, quiet now. There's not a lot of people here. Yeah,
only us and some few others.
Only us. It's looking really cool. Look at the dog here. The Rottweiler. So, yeah, guys, if you're enjoying watching the vlog, please make sure to subscribe to the channel, and yeah, hit the like button as well. Here is very huge. We don't know.
Let's go inside.
Huh? Let's go inside.
There's a way.
Yeah, we don't know really where we are going because it's really huge, this place here. And we hope you are enjoying watching this nature park here. Yeah.
What do you like to do when you are in the nature or in the forest? Yeah. Guys,
it's really, I mean, yeah, it's cold here.
As we like to walk.
Yeah, so our 8th March here. I mean, Women's Day, my wife is here in the nature.
Yeah,
So we are here in the nature.
Go in the forest and
walk. Yeah. Comment down in the comment section below, guys. Let us know where you are watching from. And if the place here you like it, let us know. It's very huge. Yeah.
Now they are all like dead, but no, they are just waiting for the summer, for the sun, light. Let's go. There's a chair. Let's sit down. Let's have some relax outfit because it's so much walking.
With this view here,
It's relaxing.
yeah, it's very quiet. Very quiet.
Very nature.
There's a little bed here, yeah, and there's a little bridge as well here. Yeah, also these animals as well here. Yeah. It's a bridge.
Oh, shoot!
Oh, nice. Let's go and see if we can. There are people with canoa or kayak. I don't know.
A race.
Yes, some sort of a race. Yeah. Anyway, let's walk back again.
We saw that.
Yeah, luckily we saw that.
They are enjoying kayaking. The other guys is
Yeah, we are on this little bridge here. I mean, tiny bridge here, which is very nice.
we
Yeah.
put some bench here so you can sit down and enjoy the
view.
animals. If there's an animals here,
Yeah,
but
there's the
the
bench.
carabao for now is not here. But we see some bird and ducks around.
Yeah, and they have like nets covered there so that they will have their privacy, you know. So
Yeah.
yeah, and yeah, guys, we hope you enjoy the vlog, and yeah, we hope you enjoy the vlog. If you do, smash the like button, put on all the notification icon on, click it all on so that you'll be notified for
Share it.
our upcoming videos. Yeah, share the video as well. And what else? Let us know what do you think. Yeah, what are your thoughts and what do you think about the vlog and anything else.
Yeah, please do check our playlist. We have a lot of different kinds of videos there. So that's it, guys. See you on the next one. Bye
Bye and happy Women's Day again to everybody over there. So until the next one, bye.